Let's say that my business is located within this area block of Lincoln Boulevard, Olympic Boulevard, and Pico Boulevard. Now, an effective strategy for location-based businesses, or if you're simply a business targeting specific areas, is to create multiple content MAXeSite apps, each focused on just one product, service, or subject matter, using street names, intersections, and zip codes. So in this case, an auto service business would create a MAXeSite app for a service offered such as oil change, transmission flush, or a tire rotation using street names, intersections, and zip codes as keywords for local search engine optimization. Here's an example of an oil change service MAXeSite app. As you can see, the content is focused on oil change only within the area block of Lincoln Boulevard, Olympic Boulevard, and Pico Boulevard. Let's go to Google and type in 3 different search queries using the service, street, and city keywords. You can see that I'm in Canada, and so I'm going to change the setting to reflect US search results. Keep in mind that search results will vary depending on factors such as your actual location and device, but this will at least provide a general idea. Let's now enter the first web search query: oil change, Lincoln Boulevard, Santa Monica. I don't see our MAXeSite app listing on the first page, so let's go to the next. And I see the listing here, so let's click it. Let's now go back to the search results, and this time do an image search for the same query. And as you can see, our MAXeSite appears here at the top on the first row ahead of images for other websites, some who are large and well-established businesses. Now let's change the search query from Lincoln to Pico. And you can see that our MAXeSite app appears again at the top of the page here on the first row, above other websites, some again who are large. Let's now do a web search for the same query. And I see the listing here for the Jibio MAXeSite, so let's click it. Let's now go back to the search results and this time do the last search query by changing Pico to Olympic. Let's scroll down the page to see the search results. And I see the listing here for the MAXeSite, so let's click it. Let's now go back to the search results and do an image search for the same query. You can see that our MAXeSite app appears again here at the top of the page on the first row ahead of other websites. So at this point, you're probably thinking, what's the big deal? The MAXeSite app appeared at the bottom of the first page and the top of the second page in web search results, but it did appear in the top 3 in image search results. Well, here's the big deal.